Container mobility. In colder climates, moving containers indoors or to protected areas during winter is essential. We detail how to transition plants to indoor spaces while providing sufficient light. Season extension structures. Season extension structures like cold frames and mini greenhouses protect your plants from frost. We discuss how to set up and use these structures effectively. Indoor gardening. Indoor gardening allows you to cultivate produce year-round. We provide tips on growing potted herbs, dwarf citrus trees, and microgreens indoors. Extending the growing season. One of the perks of confined space gardening is the potential for year-round cultivation. Discover how to extend your growing season and enjoy fresh produce throughout the year. Container mobility. In colder climates, move your containers indoors or to a protected area during the winter. South-facing windowsills or sunrooms can provide enough light and warmth for cold-tolerant crops like herbs and leafy greens. Season extension structures. Consider using season extension structures like cold frames, hoop houses, or mini greenhouses. These protect your plants from frost and cold temperatures, allowing you to grow even in the chillier months. Indoor gardening. Embrace indoor gardening with potted herbs, dwarf citrus trees, and microgreens. With the right care and lighting, you can cultivate fresh produce indoors year-round. Let's take a look at each of these and see how you might get the best result for your specific space. Potted herbs for your kitchen. Potted herbs are a must-have for any indoor garden. They not only add aromatic flair to your cooking but also flourish in small spaces. Here's what you need to know. Best herbs to grow. Basil. Perfect for pasta, pesto, and caprese salads. Rosemary. Adds savory depth to roasted dishes. Mint. Ideal for refreshing teas and cocktails. Thyme. Enhances the flavor of soups and stews. Parsley. A versatile garnish and ingredient. Maximizing yields. Choose deep pots with proper drainage. Provide ample sunlight or use grow lights. Regularly harvest leaves to encourage growth. Fertilize with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Example. Growing basil. 1. Select a 6 to 8 inch deep pot with drainage holes. 2. Fill with well-draining potting mix. 3. Plant basil seeds or a young plant. 4. Place in a sunny windowsill or under grow lights. 5. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. 6. Harvest leaves regularly to promote bushiness. Dwarf citrus trees in small spaces. Imagine plucking fresh, juicy citrus fruits from your indoor garden. Dwarf citrus trees make this dream a reality. Here's what you should know. Best dwarf citrus varieties. Meyer lemon, sweet and tangy fruits. Calamandan orange, small, tart oranges. Kumquat, tiny, sweet tart fruits. Key lime, ideal for pies and beverages. Tangerine, sweet and easy to grow. Care requirements. Use well-draining potting mix. Provide 8-12 hours of daily sunlight. Water consistently but avoid overwatering. Fertilize with a balanced citrus fertilizer. Example. Growing dwarf Meyer lemon tree. 1. Choose a large pot with drainage. 2. Use a citrus-specific potting mix. 3. Place in a sunny location near a window. 4. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. 5. Feed with a citrus fertilizer during the growing season. 6. Prune to maintain size and shape. Mighty microgreens. Microgreens are a nutritional powerhouse and a simple addition to your indoor garden. Here's why they're fantastic. Setting up a microgreen garden. Use shallow containers or trays. Fill with a thin layer of potting mix. Sprinkle microgreen seeds evenly. Cover with a light layer of soil. Water gently, keeping the soil moist. Nutritious varieties. Broccoli. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Spinach. Packed with iron and antioxidants. Radish. Adds a spicy kick to dishes. Sunflower. Nutty and high in vitamin E. Pea shoots. Sweet and crunchy. Why microgreens are superfoods. concentrated nutrients. Rapid growth and easy cultivation. Versatile for salads, sandwiches, and garnishes. Example: growing broccoli microgreens. 1. Fill a shallow tray with potting mix. 2. Sprinkle broccoli microgreen seeds evenly. 3. Cover with a thin layer of soil. 4. Mist the soil surface with water. 5. Place in a well-lit area. 6. Harvest when the greens reach 1–2 inches in height. By embracing these indoor gardening opportunities, you can elevate your culinary creations with fresh herbs, enjoy homegrown citrus delights, and supercharge your meals with nutrient-rich microgreens, all within the confines of your living space. Crop selection for seasons. Choose crops that thrive in each season. Plant cool season vegetables like lettuce, kale, and spinach in early spring and fall. Transition to warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers during the summer. Year-round gardening in confined spaces requires planning and adaptability. By carefully selecting crops and using season-extending techniques, you can enjoy a continuous supply of homegrown goodness.